Seriously, the packaging is to die for. I like that. Hydrating balm flavors. I'm obsessed. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. I hope you guys got your coffee, your tea. I know that I am like living off of coffee right now. It is saving me. But anyways, as you guys know, whenever I do a PR haul, I always do a mystery box giveaway. So I will have the link down below where you can enter, as well as the giveaways winners from last weekend. You guys will see their name right there. But yeah, definitely enter and give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you are most excited for, and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so we're starting off with this PR haul with already a really good note right now, because the Tony's Choco Lonely brand just sent more chocolate over, and this stuff is so good. I'm obsessed. It's like a really good, like thick chocolate bar. Oh my goodness, my mom even took one from me, and she even came back and stole another one because she's like, oh my God, that chocolate is so good. We're all like eating it in the house. It is very delicious. They sent over the milk chocolate, which is my favorite. The dark chocolate, another good one. Chocolate hazelnut, I like this one as well. This one I have not tried out yet. I still have it over there sitting, and it's the white chocolate raspberry. I really need to try this out because it sounds really good. And then we have the dark milk chocolate pretzel one, which is another delicious flavor. But if you are a chocolate lover, you definitely need to check these out. I'll have a link down below where you guys can check them out, but oh my God, these are so delicious. I have little Kinsley in the mom row sleeping right next to me. Finally, this girl has been so fussy, and I found out why. I had a barbecue wing because I didn't want the hot wings. I would just like get like something barbecue. And the guy told me, he was like, oh, it's just like brown sugar. So I was like, okay, perfect. I had those last night. I had 3 of them with a little bit of salad, and it completely aggravated her. I couldn't understand why she was so fussy. I thought maybe she was just eating too much again. But no, my mom told me, she goes, there's tomatoes in barbecue sauce. And I'm like, oh. And that's what triggers her. So yeah, that's been fun. All right, so next up is a package from Pharmacy, and they sent over their new Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. So it says that this is a skin plumping micro-filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. Oh, I need that. I'm getting them so bad right here because every single time in pregnancy, my face kind of like plumps up and all my little wrinkles go away. But the second that my face starts shrinking back down, they all pop up like right here. So I need this. And it says the powerful formula features advanced multi-molecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. You can use this in the morning and at night. So definitely got to try that out. Okay, so this next one is from Jouer, and I've been so excited about this one when I saw it on Instagram. But Jouer, she collaborated with her daughter, Amelie, and I know, Kinsley. And this is the Blush and Bloom Cheek and Lip Duo. And this is in the shade Be Strong, Be Loud right here. This retails for $32. You can get it at jouercosmetics.com, Sephora, Beauty Bay, and Beautylish. So definitely check it out. I'll have it linked down below. You can also get it at Sephora and save the money off right now because the sale is going on. So I'm gonna try to link as many things as I can to Sephora in this video to make it easy for you guys. But as you already know what the packaging looks like, you get 2 different shades. This one right here is more of like a gloss shade, I believe. It just adds like a dewy look to the skin, like a really pretty just subtle glow. And then this is the other side. This one is called Be Loud, and it's a gorgeous shade. I am so excited for this one. I love these products because you can use them on the cheeks and the lips. But if you just blend this out, it just gives you the most beautiful rosy cheeks. So I love that. That's gonna be so much fun. I think I'm really also going to love this as a lip color. So I've been super excited to try this out, and I cannot wait to use it. So thank you to Jouer for sending this over. All right, so next up we have a package from Fresh. Let's see what they sent over. Let's see here. So it says, hey Madison, say hello to our exciting new launches. We're channeling sunnier days and warmer weather with our new sugar high hydrating balm flavors. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So their hydrating lip balms are so good, and they have like a bunch of different flavors of them. So they came out with 2 new ones. They came out with lychee right here and passion fruit. So excited for those. I love those. They're so good. And then they also sent over their soy face cleanser, and this is their limited edition packaging right here, which is super cute. So thank you so much to Fresh for sending these over. I am so stoked to try out those lip balms. I'm sure they smell really good too. All right, so the next package is from It Cosmetics, and they actually donated $100 to Kaiva on my behalf, which is amazing. Thank you. Basically what it is, it's to help empower 225,000 women entrepreneurs and women-led small businesses every year. So that is awesome. They sent over, oh, this is the founder's book. So she wrote a book right here, and it says Believe It. So how to go from underestimated to unstoppable. Oh, I'm excited. I feel like this is gonna be such a good motivational book to read. You know what? I will do this during my nursing sessions at night right now with a newborn. So each time that Kinsley needs to pop on, I will just grab a book and read. It will be a lot better than me just scrolling through my phone. So this will be a really good book to read. And also I think it's like just the motivation that I need right now. So cannot wait for that. And then they also sent over, oh my God, look how cute this is. This cute little crop sweatshirt right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. And it's so soft, and it says just go for it, or go for it. So I love that. So thank you so much, It Cosmetics, for sending this over, and also for donating. That is amazing. And I cannot wait to read Jamie's book. This looks amazing, and also has a lot of great reviews on the back as well. All right, so next up is a package from Urban Decay. They sent over a little mini of their makeup setting spray. This is the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray. This is vegan, waterproof, lightweight, breathable, smudge-proof, fade-proof, suitable for all skin types, up to a 16-hour wear, and it's gonna make your makeup last longer. As you guys know, this thing has been around for so long in the makeup industry. Like, gosh, I remember like when YouTube was first a thing, like really watching beauty videos when they really started going. Everyone used this. This stuff is awesome, and it's still around, and it's still the #1 makeup setting spray. So love that. Thank you to Urban Decay for sending over a little one. Like this little size right here would be perfect to put in your bag if you're going out for a day. Like say if you're going to the zoo or something, you can just spray your face. It will be like a little refresher, and then it will also help keep your makeup on longer, especially if you're in the heat. All right, so next up is another package from Jouer, and I am so excited about these. So she came out with primers. She came out with a matte primer and a moisture primer. They are silicone-free primers meet skincare. Oh, I like that. I remember when I had acne-prone skin. Right now, I really don't have that sensitivity much anymore, but when I did, I had to be very careful with silicones because it would always clog my pores. So it's really cool to see that she came out with a primer that is more like skincare base, and it's silicone-free. So I'm super stoked about this. They retail for $34, and they said that it would be a great little combination with her Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. I have not used this in a really long time. I need to try this one out again. They sent over a couple different shades. They sent over Fawn, Cameo, and Cool Beige. So we're definitely going to use those. But these are what the primer looks like right here. I'm definitely going to be using the anti-aging moisture primer right here, and then this one is an anti-blemish matte primer. So the moisture one is going to be all me because I'm definitely more on the dry side. And then this is what the packaging looks like. I cannot wait. I'm going to put this in my everyday makeup bag so that way I remember to use it tomorrow. So super stoked about that. Thank you, Jouer, for sending these over, and I'll give you guys a little update on these at the end of the month. All right, so next up is a package from Facetory, and let's see what they sent over. I haven't gotten anything from them in a really long time. Let's see what they sent. They have a little card right here. So it says, "Hi Madison, missed you. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. Hope you enjoy these goodies as much as we do." So thank you for Facetory for sending these over. They always stock me up on their sheet mask, but they sent over some other stuff too. So we have a cute little headband right here, which I'm actually gonna save for Riley because she's been obsessed with these right now. So I know she's gonna love that. They sent over what looks to be their own little skincare line right here, which is really cool. I didn't even know they had this. This is the Facetory Collection Cloud Puff Gentle Foam Cleanser with chaga and oats. Oh, this sounds really, really nice. And it doesn't look like there's any oil in it. So this actually would be really good if you have lash extensions. So that's super nice. And then we have their Calming Glow Weightless Facial Oil with oats and squalane. I'm definitely gonna use this at night. My skin has been really, really parched, and it's so parched to where like moisturizer isn't really helping it, and I feel like an oil is what's going to help it. So definitely going to use that. And then they sent over some sheet masks, which I'm definitely gonna do one tonight too. These are gonna be so nice. These are Oats My Bananas. They soothe and protect, and they are fragrance free. So definitely going to be using these. I need myself a little spa night right now. Like, let me tell you, I need some self-care. So thank you so much to Facetory for sending those over and giving me a little bit of a spa night tonight. So super stoked. I will snap about it on Instagram stories tonight. All right, so next up is a package from Philosophy, and they sent over, first off, a blend jet. I actually did a collaboration with Blend Jet a while ago, and these things are so cool, you guys, and they're so quick and easy to use. I love it. So I'm excited to have another one. These are just great, like just for like a quick little smoothie, especially for little Riley. You put a little bit of spinach in there with some fruit, and that's how I can get her to eat her greens, because this girl will not eat anything veggie at all. So these saved me. So this is awesome, and I love how quick and easy they are to clean too. So Philosophy sent over 2 products here. So these are their new Skin Rehab Balm. It immediately improves hydration by 156%. Oh my God, that's a lot. That actually sounds really, really nice too. Let me open it up for you guys. I really like the packaging. I don't know why, but I like how like skinny it is. But basically, oh, they even have a little recipe in here. Oh, how nice. Super replenishing green juice. Ooh, I'm gonna save those. So anyways, they say to apply this in a thin layer to clean dry skin in the evening, and you wear overnight, and they recommend using it 3 times a week. So it sounds like a little bit of a sleeping mask. So that sounds awesome. Definitely gonna try that out. And then the last product they sent over is the Nature in a Jar Skin Reset Serum. And it says that it basically is a skin reset serum with natural retinol. Alternative clinically improves wrinkles and smoothness in 1 week. This is one that I'm gonna have to wait on because I am still nursing, because if it has retinol in it, you can't use it while breastfeeding. So I'll definitely hang on to this one. But thank you so much to Philosophy for sending these over and sending over the Blend Jet. Also the recipes, we're definitely going to try them out. I'm super stoked about this balm though, so I will try this out ASAP. All right, so next up is a package from CoverGirl, and they send over their new Lash Blast Clean Volume Mascara. So this one has no parabens, no sulfates, no talc, and no mineral oil in them. And it's vegan, and you get up to 10 times the volume in it. That is really, really cool. So they sent over Very Black and Black Brown right here. Definitely excited to try these out. I'll use them on my bottom lashes. And then they sent over this little guy right here. What is this? Oh, wow. That's really cool. It opened up into like a really big bag. Look at that. That is awesome. That is really neat. Now I gotta figure out how to fold it back into it. But that is, it folds into this small little bag. That is so cool. And such a like space saver too. I like that. So thank you CoverGirl for sending these over. Excited to try out the mascara, and I'm amazed by this bag. All right, so next up we have a package from Complex Culture, and they send over their 3 eye palettes here. This is their new full lineup of eye edits. So we have 3 different ones. We have the Edit 1, which is light and lovely, Edit 2, which is warm and earthy, and then Edit 3, which is rich and vibrant. These are vegan, cruelty-free, and dermatologist tested. So the first one right here is Edit 1, and it looks like this. This one's really, really pretty. I think this one is my favorite out of all of them. These are totally colors I would wear on like an everyday basis. I love these tones right here. These are so pretty. That is gorgeous. Let's go to mauve. That's really pretty. And then let's go into copper. This is like a shimmer shade to put like all over the lid. Those are stunning. And then we have edit number 2. This is warm and earthy, so you definitely have some warmer tones in here, which are really pretty. And then for the last edit, this one is the rich and vibrant, so you definitely have some bolder colors here. And I really love the way that they kind of design them, because basically what they do is they set up in columns, so you can create like a whole eye look with that column. So you have workwear, brunch, and then a night out with that one. So it's really neat how they organize that. I love it. It makes it super easy just to do like a quick little eye look, and you kind of know what goes together, especially if you're just learning. So definitely check these out. I have to say, edit number 1, light and lively, is just like calling my name. I love this one. And then they also send over 3 of their eye brushes too. So we have their Easy Crease Definer one, their Precision Eyelid, and then also their All Over Shadow right here, which I love for a crease brush. That one's beautiful. So awesome brushes, check them out. I will have them linked down below. Okay, so next up is a package from Pixi, and they sent over this really cute little bag right here. Look at this. So they say these are glycolic body treats. So we've got you packed for your journey to glowing skin. These body treats work together to hydrate, brighten, and exfoliate your skin. Keep these treats with you to make sure you're ready to glow wherever you go. Oh, how cool. So it looks like we have a body wash, a body peel, and a body lotion in here. Let's open this up. All right, so this is the inside of it. That's really neat how they have like this little bag right here. These are the products right here. So again, like how I was saying, they have the glycolic body peel, the body lotion, and the body wash. So I'm definitely going to try this out. The body peel, like how do you do that? Glycolic and lactic acid polish and exfoliate, lifting away dry, dull skin. Skin is left feeling and looking silky smooth, hydrated, supple, and perfectly prepped for body moisturizer or oil. So you use this daily. Massage onto body and rinse off. So okay, so you massage it on and then you rinse it off. Oh, I'm gonna try this out. I can't wait to see how this is gonna work. That is so neat. So definitely gonna try that out. I've never seen like a body peel before, so I'm stoked about that. So thank you so much to Pixi for sending these over. All right, so we're ending this on a really neat note because Hourglass actually came out with their own skincare line. It's called Equilibrium. I'm so excited about this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's open this up. Seriously, the packaging is to die for. All right, so this is what the inside looks like right here. And then let me show you guys this. I'm dying for this packaging. Oh, this is so pretty. So the first product that we have here is the Rebalancing Cream Cleanser. Excited. Then we have the Restoring Essence right there. And the Intensive Hydrating Eye Balm. Oh my God, they have sunscreen too. So they have the Day Fluid Sunscreen and it's an SPF of 30 on it. So I'm excited to try that out. It's glass packaging, super nice. And then for the nighttime, we have the Biomimetic Skin Active Serum. So I'm definitely gonna be trying these out, you guys. I think I might just kind of use this as my regimen for a while and we'll kind of see how it goes because I'm super excited about this. And the packaging is just everything. I love how simple it is. It's so pretty. So thank you so much to Hourglass for sending this over. I am so stoked to try these out. All right, so that is everything in this PR unboxing, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We made it through with little Kinsley. She is such a trooper. She is just passed out right here. So that is good. Even though you guys probably heard her little noises here and there, but we did good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, comment down below what you're most excited for, and then also don't forget to enter the giveaway. And I will see you all in my next video, which will probably be an empties because I am way overdue for that. And I've got some good empties to talk about. So that will probably be coming next. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.